Kũrũmĩrĩra mĩtangĩko ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩkĩgererwo nĩ nyũmba cia mohoro, anyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rũrũ hamwe na athũrĩmi a mohoro maunanĩire njũng'wa na thirikari igĩrĩ-inĩ rĩa gwetha kĩhonia kĩa mathĩna maya.
All pending bills were forwarded to the special task force appointed by the president. So while I assure you that the government agreed that all verified pending bills be cleared soonest possible, we note with concern that some of the claims presented have either been already cleared or cannot be verified. We note and acknowledge there is confusion and lack of clear government advertising policy and feelings of discriminatory government advertising regime. I know this again we discussed during our meeting in Nakuru, and we are working around that again in a collaborative way to ensure that.
Gatagatĩ ka mathĩna marĩa makoretwo makĩgererwo nĩ nyũmba cia mohoro nĩ hamwe na imwe kwaga kũrĩha ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire aruti ao a wĩra, mathire gatagatĩ ka mangĩ, naguo anyiti itemi makoria mĩcemanio ya mahinda kwa mahinda na anyiti itemi aya.
We also need the government level commitment to uphold safety and protection of journalists and also to hold account anybody who harasses a journalist, including the people who within the government. Then the last is number 8, which I said should speak to any other matter that we might have forgotten. And number 8 is talking about holding quarterly roundtables with media sector players, and that is the government and the media sector players, to review progress and ensure continuous engagement.
Minister wa ũkinyanĩria Margaret Nyambura augĩte harĩ na bata mũnene wa thirikari kũnyitanĩra na nyũmba cia mohoro, akiuga nĩ taũkĩirwo nĩ mamwe ma mathĩna marĩa maragũmĩra nyũmba ici cia mohoro na nĩ kũmatangĩkĩra.
We must work together to ensure that we are supporting our citizens, to ensure that we are getting the right information to the rural areas. We must work together to ensure that we have seen our digitization effort, our digital superhighway, that we are connecting up to the rural people. And for us to do that, then we need to ensure that we have the right content, and it is the media that will help us do that.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Jerry wa Njoroge.